Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to continue with the pronunciation of some zoo animals in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these zoo animals in English together. Please give it a try. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Panda, panda, panda. Polar bear, polar bear, polar bear. Puma, puma, puma. Reindeer, reindeer, reindeer. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros, rhinoceros. Tasmanian devil, Tasmanian devil, Tasmanian devil. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Wombat, wombat, wombat. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you feel it in your heart, please donate to our channel. Your donations help us. Thank you. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye.